Intense 5 time. What a week. Let's go. Kim Kardashian reveals her extensive drug use. She even admits to being high when she married her first husband.
I did ecstasy once and I got married.
So is Elephant Man really changing his house color because Beanie Man dissed him? Then apart from that, the disses continued in song. Beanie released or grung and Ellie replied with nah talk. Ah boy. Boy. So, X Factor finalist Anthony Russell was caught FaceTiming a notorious jailed criminal who then posted a screen grab. Boy, bigging up the finalist. Yeah. No more Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall. What will we do without Kitty's la 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 and Professor Nuts' outfits?
Oh.
But producers say they're coming with something brand new. I can't wait. No more Ruhu. I don't know. And finally holding the spot this week, the one and only Dalton Harris. Despite all the bad mind that has been thrown at him over an innocent picture, he has shown that nothing will get him down. Just wait till him get the record deal, okay? Good luck, Dalton. You are our X Factor. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on Facebook and the gram at TVJ Intense.